போடா லூசு.
On Saturday, that is 26th of July, we conducted massive raids near the premises of the education institutions in Poneri, Katankulatun, and Marimalai. These raids were conducted basically to convey the commitment of the government that we are committed towards drug-free Tamil Nadu, and we want to focus more on the education institutions. This was the second such raid after my coming here as a Tamram commissioner. We had earlier done this raid, and in which a big haul of drugs, synthetic drugs, were captured. In the present raids that we conducted, we had specific information about people possessing and dealing in drugs and doing trafficking. Where we took action, the raids were successful, and we conducted these raids on specific information at 12 locations, where there were 5 apartments, 5 petty shops, cafe, so all taking together as 12 locations. In this year, we have been able to register more than 350 cases and arrest equal number of accused who were dealing in synthetic as well as ganja and the derivatives of ganja. We have we have seized more than 1500 kgs of ganja, and we have equally destroyed more than 1200 kgs of ganja in this endeavor. We have also taken up this matter with the education institutions, and we have told them to take strict action against the accused, against the people who are indulging into drug distribution, drug trafficking, and also with respect to possession of drugs. We are also committed not only by enforcement of the law, but also to spread awareness. In this, we have been conducting awareness campaigns in colleges and schools also, so that the students are not falling prey to the drug menace. We have also been very clear to the education institutes that we would be conducting such type of raids in future on specific information, and there is a need that we should be able to ensure that whatever atmosphere we give to our children, to the students there, is very conducive for their mental as well as the physical growth and health.
So you say that you have conducted twice raid in the educational institution.
We have conducted many raids in the education institutes, but they were all small raids. This is the second raid which we have conducted. After last year, during the same time we had a major raid. This is the second raid what we have done, and we would continue such raids when we are able to consolidate on the informations.
Can you explain the nature of the raid? How many men come from this? How long?
So about 100 policemen were involved in this raid, from the level of the officers of Deputy Commissioner of Police to Additional Commissioner of Police and down the line. So this raid was basically, it's very important that the raids are conducted in secrecy. So we have been able to maintain secrecy and also ensure that we have been successfully able to catch the contrabands. As I have already told, we have secured 166 grams of ganja and 520 the ganja chocolates, which are consumed by the students and which is detrimental to their health and well-being.
Many students will be booked or arrested.
We have picked up total 7 people, out of which the students were basically presented before the magistrate, who were given bail. And there is one person who was arrested for possession of more than 5,000 ganja chocolates, and he was remanded.
Who is the outsider or a student?
He is an outsider, he is not a student. He possesses a petty shop. Yeah, he is the one. He owns a petty shop, and he sells it from his shop.
Where is the information?
Yeah, he is basically, the shop is there in Chennai.
See,
We'll give you the details of.
seems that you are targeting one particular institution. Is that right?
No, we are not targeting any particular institute.
Who is the major supplier of this?
The drugs, they come from various places. When the students go home belonging to other states, they bring it here and they sell it over here. It has become like a lot of students who are not even taking education in the institutions. They stay outside the premises, and it has become a big issue with respect to bringing the drugs and selling it to the students. So we are going to be very strict on such type of dropouts and the outsiders also who are basically selling drugs near the education institutes.
The accused are those students.
Many of them are like what we arrested yesterday on Saturday. 7 of them, out of which 5 were students belonging to computer science stream of second and fourth year
Are they from the Tamil Nadu or some other states?
from various places.
You didn't including
We have, in the same endeavor to be strictly enforcing the law, we have detained 11 people in Gundas Act in this particular year, who are being habitually indulging in trafficking of drugs and supply of drugs. Thank you so much.
Sir, have you warned this institution, the education institution?
We have already communicated with the education institutions, and it is not only that what you have asked me about one, it is not that. We would be continuing with other education institutions also, and we are very firm in our commitment towards eradication of drugs, as what the government has also made it very clear that we want the state which is free from drugs.
So could you please elaborate this? What's the communication to you send to the education institution? Are they warning or?
No, we have instructed them and told them to be firm on the students and the people who are basically indulging in such type of this thing. So that is what is.
லாஸ்ட் இயரும் இந்த மாதிரி ரைடு பண்ணோம் இங்கேயும் இந்த இயரும் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்
ஆமா.
ஆனால் திருப்பி இதே இடத்துல இந்த நடந்துருக்கு அப்போ ஏன் அந்த சப்ளை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண முடியல இதனால என்ன
We have been able to the Tamil Nadu police, or rather Tamram police, has been able to secure a lot of drugs which have come from the other states, Orissa, from Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and all those. So we have also, if you see, 2 days back we have secured 15 kgs of ganja. Before that, we have secured 300 kgs of ganja. So we are doing at 2 levels. One at the education level, where basically bulk drug will not be sold. There will be small amount of drugs will be sold. The other level is the level where people bring ganja from the other states. So we secure them also, and we seize the drugs.
வெறும் கஞ்சா இது மட்டும் தான்
Ganja, the synthetic drugs are also there. We have registered cases against people who have been supplying synthetic drugs. If you see, we have registered cases in tobacco also. If you see, we have already displayed it outside. That's hookah is also prevalent during this thing. So we have been taking cases and enforcing law in all those cases which are detrimental to the society in Tamil Nadu, as well as particularly for the students of Tamil Nadu.